Now the rotated rectangle tool is not a tool that I use that much, but I will go ahead and go over it. You may find it useful, and it does do some interesting features. So basically it allows us to draw a rectangle using only three points. So let's say if we did 1, 2, 3, and there we have it there. But now let's take advantage of some of the rotating features that it does. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to here, and let's make sure I'm snapping to that correctly. Let's go out. Okay, there we go. And there we can see this protractor tool. As I move it around, it snaps to these dimensions on the protractor. So right here, let's say there we see it's at 45 degrees. I can hold down shift and it locks into that 45-degree angle, and I could drag my mouse forward or back and extend the length of that. And let's go ahead and click, and there I've drawn a line at 45 degrees, which is a 12-12 pitch if I was doing a roof. So now let's go ahead and do it again over here. And there I'm moving my mouse along that, and here I can see when it hits that 45 degrees. And let's see if I could get it to do it again. And basically it's using that inferencing system. Okay, so there's the 45. I'm going to hold down shift, and there I can bring it beyond that, or it's already snapping to that point where they intersect. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and there I've created I've connected those, and I went to my eraser tool. Let's just clean that up real quick, and there we've just created a roof-like structure to that. So that's some interesting features that rectangle rotate does. Another thing I'm going to show you that it does is, let's go ahead and click over here, and again I'm going to move along my angles here. But let's say I wanted to do a different angle. Let's say we wanted to do an angle at, let's just pick a random number, let's say at 43 degrees. So as you can see, the way SketchUp is inputting information here, it has the length, comma, the angle. So if I want to do just an angle, if I wanted to specify just the angle, let's say I drag this out, and well, actually let's do both. We'll do the length and an angle. So let's go 20 feet, comma, 43 degrees, enter. And there we've drawn a line at 20 feet and at that 43-degree angle. So several different ways we can take advantage of using that rotated rectangle tool. So let's move on to the next tool.